Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable in a one-step equation. In this video, we will be solving for the variable x in the equation 5 times x minus 1 equals 14. By following a few simple steps, you will be able to find the value of x that satisfies this equation. So let's get started. Step 1. To solve the equation 5x minus 1 equals 14, the first thing we need to do is isolate the term that contains the variable x. Right now, the term 5x is on the left side of the equation, but it has a minus 1 attached to it. To get rid of this minus 1, we need to do the opposite operation, which is addition. So we will add 1 to both sides of the equation. Adding 1 to the left side cancels out the minus 1, and adding 1 to the right side changes the number 14 to 15. This will alter our equation as follows. On the left side, 5x minus 1 plus 1. The minus 1 and plus 1 cancel out, leaving just 5x. On the right side, 14 plus 1 equals 15. Therefore, the new equation is 5x equals 15. We have simplified the original equation by eliminating the minus 1 through addition, making it easier to solve for x. Step 2. Now that we have the equation 5x equals 15, we need to solve for the variable x by isolating it completely. Currently, x is being multiplied by 5. To isolate x, we need to get rid of the 5. The opposite operation of multiplication is division, so we will divide both sides of the equation by 5. By dividing the left side by 5, we are left with x, and by dividing the right side by 5, we get 15 divided by 5. This changes our equation as follows. On the left side, 5x divided by 5. The 5's cancel each other out, leaving just x. On the right side, 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Therefore, the isolated value for x is x equals 3. We have successfully solved for the variable x. In this final step, we used division to isolate x and found that x equals 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. And if it did, please drop me a like.